Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of the Audible app for Mac. So if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. So I have the Audible app downloaded on my desktop here on my MacBook. I'm going to launch the Audible app and then from there press continue. Basically I'm going to type in my email address and password and log in. So now that I've typed in my email address and password, I'm going to press continue. And now we're signed in or logged in to the Audible account. However, if you want to actually log out of Audible, come up here to Profile. And then from there, you will not see a logout section down here. You have to go up to this gear icon in the top right. And then down at the bottom left, Sign Out. Press Sign Out. And that's you successfully logged out of Audible. From there, if you want to log back in without completely shutting down Audible and then relaunching the app, what you have to do is go back up to the gear icon, and then there's a sign in option here as well. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.